Hello students, this is Vivarchana Raut, lecturer in computer science. In our previous slides of chapter 2, that is string processing, we have discussed what is a string and how a string is stored in memory. In the previous slide, we have discussed the string is stored in memory in three ways, that is fixed length structure, variable length structure, and linked list structure. In the previous slide, we have already discussed about fixed length structure. In this slide, we are going to discuss about variable length structure. In order to avoid or in order to overcome the disadvantage of fixed length structure, we will read about the variable length structure. So the records may have different size to store. So in order to reduce the waste of memory that was done in the case of fixed length structure, there are two ways we can undergo or we can apply to save the wastage of memory. So first is by using a delimiter, and the second way is by using a pointer array. So we will first discuss about using a delimiter. In this method, the delimiter is used to show the beginning and end of the record by any sign. Here it is a hashtag sign or a dollar sign. As in the example, we can see the hello world is the string. To show the beginning and end of the record, a hashtag sign is been written at the starting or at the beginning and at the end of the string. The second method is by using pointer array. In pointer array or in this method, the beginning of the record is shown by the pointer. That is, here we can see in the diagram that there is a 10th memory location, there is a pointer, and this pointer points to the head of the or header of the string data. That is the starting or beginning of the string data. Similarly, there are various memory locations and there are their corresponding link and pointers which points towards the records or the string data's beginning or starting point. So here we can easily determine the beginning of a data, and we can easily store the string with the same amount of size we want, that is the size of data is equal to the size of the memory stored. In this method, that is in the variable length structure method, we have the advantage that we can also easily find the data or we can also easily access the data. At the same point of time, there will be no wastage of memory. So let's move to the next structure. The next structure is linked storage or linked list storage. In this storage strategy, the string is sorted in linked list, that is in the nodes form. We have already discussed in our first chapter slide, that is introduction part, that in linked list the data elements are stored in the nodes form. Node is divided into two parts, one data part and another is the pointer part. Similarly, in here the string is also stored in the node form. The string information is stored in the data part of the nodes, and the address of the next string is given in the pointer or the link part of the nodes. In the diagram we can see the string has two parts in the node form, that is the data part and the next part, that we can say the pointer or link part. The data part stores the actual value, that is the string information, whereas the pointer and link part stores the address of the next data item. So these were the three ways in which we can store a data in the memory. Thank you.